Assalamualaikum guys, this is my first video and this channel is also the first one I have just created for you people to solve the problems facing by the students, by the common people of the society, and we will cover academic courses, for example mathematics, English and many other courses, and we will also cover skillful courses, for example YouTube, virtual assistant course, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, content writing, etc. So stay tuned and subscribe this channel, and also share it with your friends and other well-known people, and also stay tuned for the coming videos. So this would be very helpful for all of you. Thanks for watching. Thank you for being here.